Lily steps outside, stretches her arms, and smiles. Wow, today the weather is so beautiful. Nearby, her mom is gently watering the flowers and grass in the yard. Good morning, Mom, Lily says cheerfully. Her mom turns with a warm smile. Good morning, my sweet girl. Excited, Lily runs closer. Mom, can we please go horse riding today? I really want to learn. Her mom chuckles softly. All right, sweetheart. Let me go get changed into my riding outfit. Then we'll head to the farm. Lily claps her hands with joy. Wow, Mom, you look just like a captain. Her mom laughs. Come on, darling. Let's go inside the farm. Once inside, Mom explains, the first step is always to prepare the horse. She carefully gets the horse ready, then helps Lily put on her helmet. With a little boost, Lily climbs onto the saddle. The horse begins to move gently, while Mom walks right beside her. Along the way, they pass a cow. The horse gets a bit playful, and Lily bursts out laughing. Mom, this is amazing. Horse riding is so much fun. Her mom smiles proudly. You're learning so quickly, my brave girl. After a while, they ride back home. They give the horse some water and return it safely to the stable. Thank you, Mom. I had the best time ever. Her mom kisses her cheek. I'm so happy you enjoyed it, my little rider. Did you enjoy the video? Don't forget to subscribe for more Avatar World stories every day.